Hello Angad, welcome to Bollywood Bubble. And how are you? How are things at your end currently?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ यार। आप कैसे हो? सब कुछ अभी तक तो फिलहाल अच्छा है, ठीक है।
हम्म,
आपके यहाँ आपकी फैमिली सब बढ़िया?
जी जी सब सही है. And your film Gunjan Saxena is about to release on OTT. So please tell us briefly about what your character is and also what the film is about.
देखिए, एक तो बहुत ही अच्छी पिक्चर है, बहुत ही प्यारी पिक्चर है। इट्स स्टोरी अबाउट अ गर्ल कॉल्ड गुंजन सक्सेना। उनकी
Mhm,
जर्नी है। कहाँ फिल्म इज सेट इन लखनऊ इन अ स्मॉल टाउन। एक कहानी एक फैमिली की है। एक पिता है, एक भाई है, एक बहन है, एक माता है।
mhm,
पिताजी पंकज त्रिपाठी हैं। अंशुमन सक्सेना जो भाई का किरदार है वो मैं प्ले कर रहा हूँ, और
mhm,
आयशा मैम इज अमर एंड गुंजन इज जानवी। इट्स अ स्टोरी, इट्स अ जर्नी। जो पिक्चर है इट्स द जर्नीज ऑफ गुंजन सक्सेना, बट इट इज द कमिंग ऑफ एज ऑफ द ब्रदर। इट इज
mhm,
दैट स्टोरी। इट इज अबाउट द फैक्ट दैट कैसे एक पिता अपने दोनों बच्चों में बहुत विश्वास करते हैं। एक आर्मी में है, लड़का अंशुमन आर्मी में है, गुंजन वांट्स टू बी अ पायलट, और कैसे
mhm,
उसको इनकरेज करते हैं, कैसे सपोर्ट करते हैं कि वो पायलट बनने की कोशिश करती है।
mhm,
वो नहीं बन पाती, फिर वो कैसे एयरफोर्स में भर्ती हो जाती है,
mhm,
और सिचुएशंस मेक हर जॉइन द एयरफोर्स, एंड हाउ देन फाइनली शी वर्क्स हार्ड एंड बिकम्स एन एयरफोर्स fighter pilot, and then how she goes into Kargil to rescue the
mhm,
Indian soldiers. तो ये वैसी कहानी है, एंड द
mhm,
फादर इज ऑल फॉर हर ऑफ जॉइनिंग द आर्मी एंड गोइंग फॉरवर्ड। लेकिन जो जो फादर का जो नजरिया है वो ऐसा है कि जाओ बेटा, ऊंचाई ऊंचाई को छू कर आओ। लेकिन जो भाई है, जो अंशुमन सक्सेना है, ही इज अ मिरर टू द सोसाइटी। He
mhm,
believes in his sister, he believes in the talent, he loves his sister, but he's very very protective of his sister. वो उसका मानना है कि क्योंकि वो खुद एक आर्मी में, he's an army man और वो आर्मी में है, that it's a man's world, and how tough it will be for a woman to find her feet in a man's world.
mhm,
और अगर ये situation है, then
mhm,
ऐसा क्यों है कि मेरी बहन ही should be the first person to join. He feels that let other people try their hand. If it works, then my sister should go, because he's just being protective. He loves her. He
mhm,
believes in her talent. Lekin, he makes her realize he's the voice of reason in the film. तो जब भर्ती भी होती है, जब वो वहां जाकर उसकी सारी जो मुश्किलें हैं, जो कठिनाइयां हैं, जो चैलेंजेस हैं, वो फेस करती है,
mhm,
कैसे उसको अपने भाई की आवाज, it's like the voice of reason that keeps on coming back. And I feel that um, this is a film about moments. It is about that emotion. It is about that unspoken word जो हम सोचते और जो हम कहते नहीं. ये
mhm,
पिक्चर वैसी है. और बहुत ही अच्छा इसमें रिलेशनशिप है बिटवीन भाई बहन का, एक डायनामिक है
mhm,
बिटवीन फादर एंड बोथ द किड्स, एक डायनामिक है। एक हल्का सा 36 का आंकड़ा कभी कभी बाप बेटे में होता है जो आप देखते हैं, वो भी है।
mhm. Okay.
एक बड़ा अनसेट तरीके से उसको दिखाया भी गया है।
Mhm,
डिसएग्रीमेंट भी है, और डिसएग्रीमेंट इज्जत के साथ है, लेकिन पता है कि डिसएग्रीमेंट है, बिकॉज यू कैन
mhm,
फील इट इन द सीन, यू कैन फील इट इन द मूड। सो इट इज दैट जर्नी। इट इज द फैक्ट दैट the brother always feels extremely protective of his sister, and he feels that it is his, not just his moral duty, but also the fact that he has to look out for her. He has to, be there for her at all times. And how
mhm,
she makes him realize that it is not about that, and how she can look out for herself. और सिर्फ भाई ही क्यों आएगा रक्षा करने, मौका मिलेगा
mhm,
तो बहन भी भाई की रक्षा कर सकती
mhm,
है, सो इट्स अबाउट दैट, इट्स अबाउट दैट फील। क्योंकि अक्सर जब राखी का टाइम आता है तो हमेशा बहन राखी भाई को बांधती कि तुम मेरी रक्षा करो।
mhm,
मुझे लगता है अब एक समय ऐसा आना चाहिए जहां एक भाई को कहना चाहिए अपनी बहन से कि मैं तुम्हें राखी बांधूंगा क्योंकि आज रक्षा तुम मेरी करो।
mhm.
एंड आई फील ये वो पिक्चर है,
Yeah.
एंड इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल मोमेंट। लाइक जो हमारे डायरेक्टर है शरण शर्मा, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से इस पिक्चर को लिखा है। और इस स्टोरी को जब उन्होंने व्हेन स्क्रीन पे लिखा जा रहा था, व्हेन ही वाज फाइंडिंग द फिल्म, द कैरेक्टर ग्राफ्स, कास्टिंग बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है। विनीत कुमार सर है इसमें, मानव
Mhm,
बिज सर है, बहुत अच्छे एक्टर्स हैं। इट्स ग्रेट टू बी इन सच अ फॉर्मिडेबल लाइनअप ऑफ एक्टर्स। पंकज
mhm,
त्रिपाठी सर, with Janvi, with myself, and also Dharma Productions backing it. इतने बड़े बड़ी फिल्में करी हैं, they back every kind of talent. This is the second time they're backing me after only and I feel literally it's like homecoming for me because Karan sir has always believed in my work. He's always given me a pedestal. At the same time, he's looked out for me, and I'm very, very glad that he literally treats me like a family member. सूरमा देखने आए थे वहां से उन्होंने पिंक भी देखी थी फिर इनसाइड एज में उनको मेरी काफी तारीफ सुनने को मिली सो आई फील दैट इट ऑल केम टुगेदर वेल विद गुंजन मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था कि जब इसकी कास्टिंग हो रही तो मेरा नाम वहां चल रहा है और करण सर ने मुझे भनक भी नहीं होने दी एक बहुत ही अच्छे दायरे से शरद के थ्रू मीटिंग फिक्स हुई शशांक के था जो बहुत बड़े निर्देशक है हम धर्मा में he had a very big role in taking me to Sharan Sharma and introducing us and वहीं से जर्नी शुरू हुई हमारी पहली मीटिंग lasted 6 hours and after that the next day he called me and he said I found my Anshuman Saxena on the please welcome on board and I was very thrilled because I've been working quite hard and I've been trying to portray various characters whether it was in Pink working with Mr. Bachchan and Shujita with Salman sir in Tiger Zinda Hai with Diljit Dosanjh and Shad Ali and Taapsee again in Surma, then Inside Edge, and then now Gunjan Saxena, and also Verdict when I did as a lawyer, as a courtroom drama.
Yes.
So I feel that, when you work with very good actors, आपकी performance on any which ways enhance हो जाती है. And I followed Pankaj sir's work, Vineet sir's work, Manav sir's work quite closely, and I think they're fabulous actors. To collaborate with them, just elevates you, elevates the scene. Most of my scenes in the film are with Janvi and with Pankaj. So I feel that, it's just been a beautiful journey that I've embarked upon. This is my second biopic, Surma being my first. But this is also my second film where the journey is of a woman. Pink was that journey. Gunjan Saxena is again that journey. And I feel very proud because given an opportunity, every actor wants to, wear that uniform to represent the country. And I come from a background of sport. I know what discipline it takes to represent India. Because they, even as sports people, you have to bring laurels to your country, same as a Jawan on the border. And the thing is that जो discipline, dedication, या जो जिंदगी मैंने व्यतीत करी है under by the guidance of my father, I took a lot of inspiration from that, and I try and actually instill it in all my characters. थोड़ा थोड़ा लेकर I go into my personal life, और also मेरी भी बहन है 1.5 साल मेरे से बड़ी है, लेकिन मुझे वो रिश्ता बड़े अच्छे से याद है जब हम छोटे होते थे, तो वो रिश्ते को भी उस एनर्जी को भी लेकर मैं जानवी के साथ आया. क्योंकि काफी मुश्किल हो जाता है कभी-कभी to portray brother sisters on screen. Your co-actors usually एक हीरो और हीरोइन का दर्जा दिया जाता है, लेकिन यहाँ भाई और बहन का है, which is even tougher because even more tough because you don't to find that energy तभी आपको मिल पाएगी with each other. अगर जैसे जानवी की भी एक छोटी बहन है खुशी और मेरी भी बहन है नेहा. मेरी धर्मपत्नी का नाम भी नेहा है और मेरी बहन का नाम भी नेहा है. So मैं clarify कर देता हूँ. So I feel that when you come from a background where you have had a sibling, then you dig in deep, you bring in that emotion to the screen. And Sharan had a great role in portraying that. And Sharan helped a lot. His research was thorough. He took us through every beat of performance and how to hold, like Anshuman Saxena अपनी emotion को hold करके रखता है. He means well, but he's very practical. You see him getting emotional at 2 places in the film, which are very, very important. And he believes in his sister, but he is just wary of the surroundings that she's going to be part of. And, how she makes him understand that, now this journey is my own and Dada, you don't need to worry about me. So it's a beautiful film. आपको बहुत पसंद आएगी. 12 August Independence Day, but it's releasing 3 days before that. So we are very proud of this film, and we are really looking forward to
it. Okay, and since you said that your character is of someone who's very protective of her sister, so would it be right to call him as the one who brings Gunjan Saxena to the center of locus, or is he the center of locus? If I talk about this,
he makes her understand reality. He makes her understand life. He makes her understand that life is not fun and games. You have to get serious. He makes her understand that if you're not aware of your surroundings, your life is in danger. You want to be an Air Force fighter pilot, but you are putting not just other people's life in danger, but yourself also. So you have to be aware. You have to be more aware, and he makes her realize that. And every time he says that, it hits her heart because you need that voice of reason. अगर हर कोई आपकी वाहवाही करता रहेगा, then you start living in that bubble. अक्सर, you need, जैसे as actors also, you need some close friends of yours watch your work and say, नहीं यार, you could have bettered that scene. थोड़ा critical viewpoint बड़ा जरूरी होता है for a person to grow. So I feel that this picture में वो critical point of view अंशुमन सक्सेना का है. It is the journey of the girl, but it is the coming of age of the brother. When he realizes that मेरी बहन बड़ी हो चुकी है और अपना ध्यान रख सकती है, and he's proud of his sister.
Okay. And for this role, you said that you borrowed from your experiences. If I talk about the psychological part of it, that you borrowed from your experiences, the relation that you had with your sister. But when it comes to the physicality of it, the Jawan and the training that all goes behind it. So did that also came in handy? These two experiences?
Very much, because I have a sport background. मैंने ये सब training करी हुई है. I had to pull up a lot of weight. I became 9. मेरा जब आप film में weight देखेंगे, I can sense it. I had to look like a Jawan who's strong, who's sturdy, who's fast, who's swift. So I feel that एक ना spine होती है fighters की, वो fearless. जवान की एक spine होती है, बिल्कुल correct खड़े होते हो. And I feel they're not like वो मसल और 8 पैक वाले जवान नहीं होते, रियल जवान जैसे होते हैं. एक स्पाइन होती है और वो तंदुरुस्त होते हैं, सड़ौल उनका शरीर होता है और वैसा बनाया था. And I think that time my body weight was 92 kg, and usually my body weight is around 83 to 84. So I had picked up 10 kgs of weight. I went through the paces, I went through that grind, and it is, it just enriched me, the entire experience. It's just not about training. आदमी fearless कैसा है, border पर खड़े होता है, तो आदमी का thought process क्या होता है, तो अपने they are literally staring at death every single moment of their lives, but then they have become okay with that. They have become okay with it, and that is why you don't see any drama around them. They're very practical people, So Anshuman Saxena is just that man. Like, this film is not about heroism or heroics. It is about acceptance. It's a moment. It's about acceptance of the family. कि ये जो हमारी लड़की है, she's ready to take on the world, and she will make our country proud and make our family proud. It is the acceptance of the brother to understand Anshuman Saxena, who understands कि नहीं, it is not about कि बाकी लोग ट्राई करेंगे और उसके बाद मेरी बहन ट्राई करेगी, अगर वो सेफ रहेंगे तो मेरी बहन सेफ रहेगी. नहीं, मेरी बहन एग्जाम्पल बनेगी, मेरी बहन पहले जाएगी ताकि वो एक एग्जाम्पल बने, ताकि बाकी लड़कियां जो उसके बाद जाए वो गुंजन सक्सेना को उसकी बात करे, and they salute her and say that this was the first Air Force fighter pilot who made our country proud. Lead by example, and I think this is that platform.
And since this film is coming out on OTT, so does that give you a sense of comfort or assurance, since you have played on this stuff with Inside Edge or Verdict?
The comfort. So I'll tell you how it works. OTT has given a lot of love to Pankaj sir, Vineet sir, myself. हमारा थोड़ा अच्छा base बना है with OTT, and we're very glad. अगर picture OTT पे आए या theater में लगे, eventually it's a project that should be seen by everyone. OTT is the present, it's no longer the future now. And we just need to understand that cinema and the OTT need to coexist, because now this is the new normal. And if people are feeling safe sitting at home and watching films on the OTT, then why not? You have to understand right now that because of the pandemic, things have changed, and this might be the way for a few more months or maybe a year. And जब तक लोग थिएटर में नहीं जाते, वो कॉन्फिडेंस आना बड़ा जरूरी है. तो अगर वो नहीं आएगा, तो फिर हमारी मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि हम उस व्यूअर या उस फैमिली तक पहुंचे जो घर में बैठ के OTT देखे. So I feel that is important, and I'm very happy that the film is getting a release, and it's about time, क्योंकि also Independence Day के करीब कोई picture आएगी ना, it always uplifts the moods. It
Yeah.
gives you hope. This film gives you hope. It give you happiness. We
Mhm.
have been, struggling for the past
Mhm.
4 months.
Mhm.
We've not had a happy moment, and this film
Yeah.
will bring that smile on your face.
Mhm. Okay. Okay. And talking about your filmography, you have been in the industry for over close to 16 years now. But
Sorry,
if we talk about your filmography, you have been in the industry for over 15 years now. But there's a lot of
15
quality.
names, but I have been in the industry since 2014.
Okay. So
In 2014, 26 साल हो गए.
mhm. No, but before that, Faltu, the film and everything. So
वो
I was
2013 वो 2013
11.
में आई थी, आई थिंक.
Yeah.
11 में आई थी. हाँ,
Yeah. I think it
11.
was 11. I think. Yeah.
हाँ, so then it's become to 8 years.
Almost 9. Yeah.
9. हाँ,
Yeah.
9 no,
So I
10
mean,
साल हो जाएंगे.
yeah. So since it's almost been a decade, so but looking at your filmography, it's more of a quality work. You don't go by the numbers when it comes to working in films. So is it because you're very selective in terms of scripts and your roles? Is that the reason behind it?
No, sir. The thing is that I try and I देखो जब मौके मिलते हैं ना, you have to make it memorable,
Mhm.
and I have realized that. And कल को when people, especially producer, want to cast me, they should look at my filmography and feel proud कि हाँ यार, let's take him on board. इसने अच्छा काम किया.
Mhm.
Eventually आप बहुत सारा काम करो या आप अच्छा काम करो, eventually आप अच्छे काम के लिए जाने जाओ.
Mhm.
तो मैं भी बहुत ज्यादा काम करना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन वो बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा काम होना चाहिए.
जी.
So I feel that will give me progression. I will learn
Mhm.
from that. Also, I will slowly, I believe, कछुए और खरगोश की दौड़ में अगर कछुआ जीता था क्योंकि वो धीरे चला था,
जी.
ठीक है, तो धीरे चलने में प्रॉब्लम.
Mhm.
मुझे सीधा जाके छलांग 100th फ्लोर पे नहीं मारती. मैं
Mhm.
एक पहले फ्लोर पे चढ़ना चाहता हूँ, फिर मैं दूसरे फ्लोर पे चढ़ना चाहता हूँ, फिर मैं तीसरे, वैसा. एंड आई फील
Mhm.
उससे ही ग्रेजुअल प्रोसेस से ही लर्निंग अच्छी होती है. And I've been very fortunate. I worked with Shujita. I have worked with Ronnie Lahiri as a producer, Mr. Bachchan, Tapsi. I've worked with Salman sir in Tiger Zinda Hai. Ali Awaz Zafar has been the director cum producer with YRF. Adi Chopra sir. I've worked with
Mhm.
Shad Ali, with Diljit Dosanjh, Surma. Inside Edge with Excel Entertainment. Farhan and
Mhm.
Nitesh as producers. Karan Anshuman as director. Verdict, Ekta Kapoor as producer. Subhash Kapoor as the creative director,
Mhm.
who's made Johnny LLB 1 and Johnny LLB 2. Now I'm working on Gulden Saxena, Dharma Productions, Karan Johar,
Mhm.
Apurva Mehta, Netflix,
Mhm.
with Pankaj Tripathi, Sir, Janvi, myself. I worked with some good people, and I really formed good associations with those kind of people. I
Mhm.
worked with Dulquer Salman,
Yeah.
and with Fox as producers. I worked with who else? Yeah, Rensil De Silva, who wrote Ramde Basanti and made Kurban. I did only
Mhm.
with Sanju sir, Imran Hashmi, Randeep Huda. So
Mhm.
I feel that was also a Dharma film. So I feel that you got to make it count. And luckily, projects for me have been that, when you look back, yeah, you can say कि हाँ ये Pink से आया, या Inside Edge से आया था, अभी गुंजन से आएगा, या सूरमा से आया था, because यही आपका काम ही आपको आगे लेके जाए. So
Mhm.
I feel that I also want to now move and also maybe try a hand at a romantic comedy or a hinterland film, which is close to my DNA. Maybe a film set in Punjab.
Mhm.
I would love to do that. Maybe a sports biopic, where I play the central character. I would love to do something.
Mhm. And talking about Sushant, I mean, a lot of people are still finding it difficult to come to terms with what happened. But what's even more saddening is what followed after his departure. I mean, I'm sure you would have seen the kind of media coverage in this regard. It reeks of apathy and opportunism. So, do you think that for us something is wrong as a society that something like this has been turned into a complete mockery?
Sir, I feel everybody has their own journey. It's very
Mhm.
unfortunate what we had to face. And, my heart goes to his passing and his departed soul. I hope he's okay wherever he
Mhm.
is, him and his family. They have gone through a lot. I feel
Mhm.
that there's a lot of noise. I think it's time to really switch off on that and focus on
Mhm.
our work and come back to normal, because it's not about, like, we're suffering from a pandemic. There are people dying every second as we speak.
Mhm.
There are jobless people. There is starvation. There is hunger. There is unemployment. People are, you know, it's really sad outside in the world, and
Mhm.
I feel that we need to focus in that department. We need to become better people ourselves. And I
Mhm.
feel the only way we can do that is working on ourselves and bettering ourselves and bettering our body of work.
Mhm.
And in my own way, if I can bring happiness on screen by through the various projects that I'm being part of, now
Mhm.
being with Gunjan Saxena, I know it's times are tough. People need to smile. People need to
Mhm.
hug each other. People need to show empathy. Need to love. You know, ask somebody, hold किसी का हाथ पकड़ के पूछो कि तुम ठीक हो, are you okay, can I help? And I think that we need to give people hope.
Mhm.
Let's move in that direction, and I feel through Gunjan we can, and I would love to do that. And as far as everybody else is concerned, I feel you know uh, what has happened is very very unfortunate, and I think we should not try and further it in any negative way. We should respect the departed, and I think even he would like it that.
And taking this forward, a new debate of insider and outsider has, shaped up in few days. New मतलब का revive हो गया एक तरीके से. And Tapsi was one of your good friends. Her name was dragged into this unwillingly by Kangana Ranaut. While as a debate, this may be relevant and should be encouraged, but the whole discourse around it and how the way things turned up, it's kind of disturbing. I mean, it has brought two artists who are also amazing artists at loggerheads with each other. So, do you see the irony behind this discourse that's currently going on?
Sir, I have not followed it properly because
Mhm.
I don't know I've heard about it, but I have not read about it.
Mhm.
जैसे अभी आप बोल रहे हो मैं सुन रहा हूँ, तो मैंने
Mhm.
सुना है ये 3-4 जगह से. So I feel that right now my knowledge is not completely there as to what I should be saying in the direction. But I would like to say is that I have a lot of respect for Tapsi as an individual, and she
Mhm.
comes from a very good background. And I worked with her in 2 films before, and she's a person who, if you don't instigate her, she is a very well-meaning person.
Mhm.
And if she has said something in this matter, then she must have really, felt the pressure or felt the need to say something or stand up, and which is totally
जी.
fine. I,
Mhm.
that's her point of view, and I'll read it and I'll educate myself further on it. But I feel that you know दी ऑडियंस जो आपको बनाती है, जो आपकी माई बाप है, जो आपके काम
Mhm.
को देखती है, आपके इंस्टाग्राम को देखती है, आपकी फैमिली लाइफ को देखती है, आपसे एक एक्सपेक्टेशन रखती है, आपसे एक आशा रखती है कि आप
Mhm.
you are this kind of a person and we connect with you. I feel we have a moral responsibility to also behave that way. Let's be good ambassadors of our country as people of the industry, because we should यहाँ देखिए, जिस जगह से आपका चूल्हा जलता है, आपके टेबल पर रोटी आती है, उस जगह की ना बदखुई नहीं करते. वो एक
जी.
सजदे की जगह होती है,
Mhm.
जहाँ से लोग हम ही आर्टिस्ट हैं जो स्टेज पे जाके ऐसा मत्था टेकते हैं, आशीर्वाद लेते हैं धरती से, स्टेज से, सेट पे जाते हैं, आशीर्वाद लेते हैं शुभ काम करने से पहले. तो फिर हम करते हैं ना वो सब. सो
जी.
बी लेट्स गो इन दैट जोन एंड लेट्स बी
Mhm.
humble about things. And I feel that we should work towards getting more love and spreading that energy, क्योंकि अभी
Mhm.
यार क्या सेंसिटिव टाइम है, बहुत कुछ हो रहे हैं. आई
जी.
थिंक और लड़ाई की जरूरत नहीं.
Mhm. And you have a beautiful daughter, Meher. So I would want to understand how or difficult was it to to raise a child during such difficult times of lockdown, and like how are things going on that end?
Things are going very well. Got to spend enough lot of time with her, and in fact क्या बोलूं, जितना टाइम अपने I spent with her is never enough. Seeing her grow up in front of me these 4-5 months has been beautiful.
Mhm.
शायद ये मौका नहीं मिलता क्योंकि हम काम कर रहे होते हैं कोई ना कोई प्रोजेक्ट पर, और बच्चे बहुत जल्दी से बड़े हो जाते हैं. लोग जैसे
Mhm.
हमारे माता पिता भी हमारे आपके बारे में ही बोलते होंगे, मेरे बारे में बोलते होंगे, यार कितने जल्दी बड़े हो. यू नो
जी.
सो आई फील दैट I'm seeing her change every day. She's learning how to talk, picks up words, is becoming independent so fast, so sharp, so intelligent. and it's beautiful because I keep on observing her, and I think जो बच्चे होते हैं वो वैसे ही भगवान की देन होती है. So
Mhm.
they are so innocent and they are so honest, and they bring so much of joy and happiness. I feel that
Mhm.
I've been very fortunate, very lucky. I made a trip recently to Delhi also to check on my parents because they're
Mhm.
also aging. They are alone. They were fine. I spent some good days with them. 14 दिन का तो क्वारंटीन ही हो गया था जिस तरफ मैं गया था. तो 14
जी.
तो मैं 18 दिन रहा, वापस
Mhm.
आया. I'm still in quarantine technically. I came
Mhm.
back on the 18th of 14 दिन बाद मेरा भी कोविड टेस्ट भी हुआ है because my
Mhm.
producer called me back on set, which has come out
Mhm.
negative. So I will go to work tomorrow.
Okay.
So yeah, it's been very very humbling experience, but also very joyful because समय मिला to spend time with my wife, समय मिला to spend time with my daughter, you know. और हम अक्सर इतने बिजी हो जाते हैं अपने जीवन में टू चेस आवर ड्रीम, अगला प्रोजेक्ट कौन सा, अनाउंसमेंट कौन सी है, फ्रंट पेज मिला नहीं मिला, उस स्टोरी कवर हुई नहीं हुई, तो ये सब चीजें बहुत छोटी हो जाती
Mhm.
because एक तो आप फेसिंग अ पेंडेमिक, you know, there are people going out of the way, nurses, hats off to the doctors, the nurses, people helping in this pandemic, looking
Mhm.
out for each other, distributing masks or PPE kits, like, yet losing their lives because they're facing death right in front of them.
Mhm.
So I feel that, it's just made you value your family. वो जो शिक्षा में मिली थी as children from our parents, अब हम मेहर को देने की कोशिश करते हैं. And I
जी.
feel, it's just that these are the simple things which give us so much of happiness. We need to value it more. Like I can only appeal through you to the audience who will be watching this interview. Just go spend time with your parents. Tell them you love them, hug them. Try and spoil them because they spoiled you, right?
Yeah.
They brought you in this world. They did everything for you. Now it's your time.
Mhm.
But don't think of it as a responsibility. It's enjoy it. It's a
Yeah.
moment. Like, whatever you do now for your parents who are aging, it is a bonus. And they will always love it. So make time for it. दुनिया चलती रहती है यार, पिक्चरें
जी.
आएंगी जाएंगी, हिट होंगी फ्लॉप होंगी,
Mhm.
क्रिकेट चलेगी, मैचेस जीते जाएंगे हारे जाएंगे, माँ बाप वापस नहीं आएंगे.
जी. I mean, that's a wonderful thought. And in this regard, I would want to know that this is the positive aspect of lockdown, that we have come together as a family and the close ones. But there's also a negative aspect to it, that people are now very wary of going too close to strangers. So there's a kind of desensitization happening. So at the end of this, I mean, at the end of this pandemic or everything, where do you see this all progressing towards? Will we
हाँ,
be as a
see,
society more accommodating of each other, or the other way around?
no, we will be. Yes, we will be definitely more aware of our surroundings, of
Mhm.
cleanliness, of looking out for things. Of वो सब अच्छी बात है क्योंकि हम थोड़े careless हैं as individuals.
Mhm.
But I think man is a social being. He will be social. Everything will come back to normal. थोड़ा time जाएगा. But the new normal will be very different,
Mhm.
for a while, and you have to be accepting of that. Uh, there will be, I think you will value people more. You will
Mhm.
value taking a salary, a paycheck home even more. You will value your job even more. You will look forward to going to work. Things are not always going to be monetarily looked at. You're going to go beyond that which we have. So
Mhm.
there has been a lot of good out of it. I think awareness होगी, which is very important. I just feel ये जो injection वैक्सीन क्रिएट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, they should just make it free for everyone. Why
जी.
should anybody have to pay for it? I have no idea.
Yes.
You should make it free. People can't afford it. We live in a country where everybody now over the world people are jobless. And if they're suffering, make the vaccine free. Become that government who owns it up completely. People have paid a lot of tax in every country that they live in, and so have we.
Mhm.
So then it's about time now the government supports the people who are suffering and makes the vaccine.
Mhm. Okay.
क्यों
And
चार्ज क्यों लगेगा? नहीं लगता.
yes, yes,
अगर
totally. And lastly, you have worked with some of the great artists in this film. So, like on one hand, there's Pankaj sir, and on the other hand, there's Janvi, who's comparatively new to the field. So, how was it, swinging between the two extremes of your co-actors, like someone with,
see,
you know,
the thing is that I don't go on reputation.
mhm,
The only person and I learned this very quickly because I worked with Mr. Bachchan. Never go on reputation. Be sincere to your lines, be honest in the scene, and your job is done. And learn this from Manav Vitsar also. Like he said that just, just be honest. Khatam ho jayegi baat. There's nothing else to do. Don't try and outdo anybody. Don't try and outdo somebody in the scene. Just be honest in your scene. You will hold your own. So I feel that security I have, and that I learned very quickly. It's an actor is only good as his co-actor.
Yeah.
I'll be very honest. So the thing is that if the co-actor is being honest, then you have to be honest. And if you are being honest, the co-actor will be honest. So I feel, talking about extremes, I work with Pankaj sir, I work with Janvi. Janvi is very hardworking, very spontaneous. Will keep on doing the scene till the time she doesn't feel it. It's great learning for even a seasoned actor would love it, because you start giving more, you start understanding it, and this credit should go to Sharan Sharma, because he sent that to me. This is his first film. He made all of us understand as actors that you all have done a certain body of work, but when you come here, he's the man, he's the captain of the ship, and he will guide us the way he wants the DNA of the film or of the scene or the soul of the film is concerned. So we followed him because we figured out very quickly it's a different film. It is not a regular commercial film. It's a very, very real film. So your performance has to be real. You cannot be bothered with the camera. You have to just be. You have to be in the moment. You have to be in the scene and be honest.
Okay, so that brings to the end of our conversation. I would like to know, ऐसा कोई सवाल जो मुझसे पूछना रह गया हो या आप जिसका जवाब देना चाहते हैं?
नहीं सर, आपने बहुत अच्छे सवाल पूछे हैं, बहुत अच्छा इंटरव्यू किया है.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay.
So with that, on that note, thanks a lot for talking to us, and I wish you all the best for Gunjan Saxena.
Thank you. And look after yourself.
Yes, you too, take care. Yeah? Bye-bye.